Welcome to Options Exo's platform tutorial. In this short video, we'll be explaining how easy it is to make money quickly and safely by investing in binary options. It's time to start putting our money to work. First, notice that using the control plus and minus enables to zoom in and out the screen to help you navigate through this platform. Now, simply select an option type, an underlying asset, an option expiration time, and the sum you wish to invest. Finally, select either high or low based on whether you believe the asset's value will increase or decrease according to your analysis. You can also follow the trader's choice bar on the right of the screen by clicking on the percentage mark on the upper right-hand side of the chart. Here you'll see the percentage of traders taking an up or down options on the asset. After checking the potential return on your option under your investment amount, click on Buy and the platform executes the option. Notice that the XO trading platform is comprised of three windows. The main window on the right, which includes our trading interface and chart, the assets and options window on the left, and the multi-tab info window at the bottom. Let's look at this one next. By default, when we enter the platform, the window is set to show our open trades. Right now we have 4 open positions, including the one we just opened, a low option on the euro-dollar pair that we opened with a $100 investment. The closer we get to the expiry time, or else the more the market goes in our favor, the higher the payout will get. The profit on this asset in this trade is 72%. If the trade will end up with profit, we'd get $72 plus our initial investment. The next tab in this window is the Trade History tab, where we can examine all of our past investments and their results. We can see the asset, order time and investment, the target and expiry values, expiry time, and of course the return. The Economic Calendar tab shows us the week's key economic events. Gauge the impact by the number of stars, with 3 stars indicating highest impact. We also see the previous reading, forecast and actual results for each indicator, as well as what asset it affects. Finally, the News tab is an RSS news feed that links to the specific story referred to. Now, let's look at our assets and options window. This too is a multi-tabbed window in which each tab enables us to invest in a different type of option. Based on our selection, a different selection of assets is provided. The default option type is high-low, that is, regular call put options with expiry times ranging anywhere from 5 minutes to 6 months. Other things to look out for is our account balance at the bottom of the screen, a deposit button if you're running low on funds, and both banking and My Account tabs on the upper right-hand menu for more detailed information and transaction executions. Time to get back to trading. We've already covered the High-Low tab and the Short-Term tab, which is exactly the same, only for options ranging from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. So now let's look at the One Touch option. This tab enables us to select whether or not the price of the asset will reach a specific target price before expiry time. After selecting the asset, the main window will display the touch or no touch buttons. If we select touch, the option's market value must touch the target price by expiry time. If we select no touch, the option's market price must not touch the target price by expiry time in order to win. The expiry time here is determined by the platform, and in the main window, we can only select the touch or no touch option. After selecting the asset, option type and investment level, click on Buy and the option appears in the Open Trades window. With a boundary option, the value of the asset must expire within the range of 2 prices or outside of them. Here we can see the asset, the potential payout, the range of two values and the expiry time, which is, again, determined by the platform. The main window displays the range and the current market price, but instead of high or low, we must decide whether we expect the expiry value to be within the boundaries or outside them. Once again, select the asset and option, determine the amount and buy, and watch the option appear in the Open Trades window. Now, if you've noticed, the payout on most options we've seen so far ranges between 60 and 83%. But you can easily increase your payout by selecting high yield options. In high-low, click on above below. Here the options offer up to 360% profits. That's more than 3.5 times your investment plus your initial investment. The further the strike price you select is from the market price, the higher your payout. Click the top asset for a high or the bottom one for a low. Then click on the up or down arrow in the trade window to determine your profit and gap level. Then enter an investment amount and click buy. For a high yield one-touch option, again, click the upper asset for a high and the lower for a low. Then decide on a target that's relatively closer for a 200% profit or further away for a 350% profit. And for a high yield boundary option, you'll be increasing the distance between the upper and lower boundaries for a 200% profit and even more for a 350% profit. There are no high yield options on the short-term tab. Thank you for watching and have a pleasant and profitable experience with Options XO platform.